Hello everyone, this is Solomon. I am here to explain you about longest common subsequence. So, longest common subsequence is nothing but continuous letters sequentially allocated for two different strings, and how long the both the strings have unique and the same alphabets or letters or words. So that is called common subsequence. So for that I'm using a PyCharm. So this is a Python language. So here I have initialized the local LCS x, y, m and n as my variables. So L equal to none into n plus 1. So I'm using this in for loop for I in range m plus 1. So these two variables I'm taking to give my alphabets as a string. So for I in range m plus 1, so each letter will be uh, checked in the each condition. So first I letter I will be checked, next J will be checked for the second letter. So in the further you are going to understand what I'm telling. So for J in range n plus 1, so m plus 1 I am taking for the string 1 and n plus 1 I am taking for the string 2. So for I in range m plus 1, so this I in essence, if I'm gonna give a apple, so this I indicates A. So next when this is gonna increment, then this is gonna go for P. So in that way we are gonna take this. So we are initializing n plus 1 if I double equal to 0 or j double equal to 0, nothing but if I'm not gonna enter any string and direct, if I'm gonna enter uh, 0 and or if I'm not gonna enter anything, then this case is gonna execute. So L of I j equal to 0, else x of I minus 1 equal to y of j minus 1. So if this condition becomes false, then it will come to the else part. So this will check the condition each first letter of the first string is equal to the first letter of the second string. The same way L of I j equal to L of I minus 1 and j minus 1 plus 1. So first letters and the first but one letters will be checked in the if else case here. So else L of ij equal to maximum L of I minus 1 j comma L of I j minus 1. So this is going to check each and every letter, first letter of the first letter and last letter of the next string. So return m comma n. So x equal to int of input string, y equal to int of input. So print LCS xy, length of x and length of y. So we are gonna print the length, how much continuous sequence or subsequence this goes. So let me run the code. So let me give an example of apple or I'll apple. Next I'll give as I'll give it in the reverse order, or I'll give randomly ELP AS. So let's see, that is only one. So because APPLE and this goes in the order of reverse in the way ELP, it stopped here and it just went off here. So you can understand it's not continuously. So if I'm gonna give it's like Solomon and monosol, then this is gonna give for 3. I'll tell you. So mon, this continuously worked here, so mon, and next sol and this o. So in the continuously 3 sequences are in the similar way. That's why this is giving us output 3. I hope you understand. That's all in this video.